chronic illnesses such as mast cell activation syndrome and fibromyalgia, as well as treatment-resistant infections such as Lyme disease and mold toxicity, are more common than you may think. For example, recent studies show as much as 14% of the U.S. population is infected with bacteria that cause Lyme disease. This is more than 46 million people believed to already be infected in just the United States. Lyme disease and many types of chronic infections can be related to general symptoms of illness, like fatigue, brain fog, muscle and joint pain, so they often go undiagnosed or are confused with other disorders. Lyme disease and its co-infections is the #1 cause today of neurological, neuromuscular, and musculoskeletal problems, and is even called the Great Imitator, since it can mimic over 200 different illnesses. Unfortunately, it is often the case that allopathic medicine offers little help for people with chronic infections caused by bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. This is because pharmaceutical solutions such as antibiotics are not always effective at permanently and completely fighting the underlying infections, nor do these medications by themselves address other underlying health conditions that may make your body susceptible to disease in the first place. Not only that, some medications can even cause worse complications than the infection likely would have caused, such as damaging the mitochondria, the energy factories of the body, and gut dysbiosis, making you feel worse for a long time before you feel better, and even threatening your path to recovery. Dr. David Jernigan of the Biologix Center, a doctor of chiropractic medicine and doctor of natural medicine, is world-renowned for his holistic and biological medicine-based approaches to treating infections and chronic disease. His innovations in the treatment of chronic illness go back decades, and his practice has seen thousands of successful recoveries. The Biologix Center is the only clinic in the world where you can receive personalized formulations of induced native phage therapy. In a recent study, INPT has been shown to facilitate the elimination of Borrelia, the bacteria that causes Lyme disease, more rapidly and efficiently than conventional treatments, with virtually no side effects. INPT is a natural therapy based on taking small oral doses of a silica-based electrolyte formula, which has been calibrated to induce naturally occurring bacteriophages already existing within the body to fight the targeted infections. The native bacteriophages are an underappreciated component of the body's regulation system that keeps every type of microbe from overpopulating in the body. Inducing native bacteriophages in this way encourages this part of your natural microbiome and your body to fight the infection with its own natural resources, which can rapidly eliminate infection while avoiding any adverse drug reactions such as in a herx or dysbiosis. When combined with Biologix's holistic and personalized clinical protocol, your body stands a much better chance of getting back on track toward health and healing. As such, INPT represents a new hope for people in search of effective therapeutics for treatment-resistant infections and chronic illness, who have often been unable to find relief from disease even after numerous interventions or long periods of treatment with various allopathic medications. Your doctors, even greatly celebrated doctors, may not know anything about INPT because it's not offered outside of a few facilities that are researching its benefits and effectiveness. INPT technology can be customized to fight a very wide variety of infections, and a range of standardized formulas are currently being developed, including those for chronic respiratory tract infections, GI infections, SIBO, mold infections, and UTIs. When combined with Biologix's holistic and personalized clinical protocol, INPT can help you get back on track to health and healing. We understand that not everyone is feeling sick for the same reasons or on the same path to recovery. You may need the careful attention of doctors who are vested in your body's individual journey and willing to go beyond the typical standard of care to find solutions way beyond just dealing with infections. You see, infections can be like termites in the wood of your home. If you find them and kill them before they cause serious damage, then everything goes back to normal. But if a lot of damage has already been done, eliminating the termites is not enough. The damage must be repaired before you can trust your house to withstand the next storm. That's why our treatment program is designed to offer all-inclusive access to the suite of advanced technologies, high-quality therapeutics, and educational opportunities offered at the clinic during your comprehensive 2 to 4 week visit, to not just help stimulate bacteriophages to eliminate the many infections, but to also repair the damage the infections and antibiotics caused. We know chronic illness may have you exhausted and desperate for solutions, but please don't put yourself at risk with medications that have been shown to be ineffective and damaging to your health. Instead, call today to let us see if this amazing holistic program of care at the Biologix Center for Optimum Health in Franklin, Tennessee can help you. We are committed to working with your body's natural design and restoring its ability to be resilient against infection so you can experience a lifetime of optimum health.